What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Dawn on VR video. Today, I'm going to be trying to get the new digital circus Jester skin in Animo Company, so let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to try to get it. The Pomni skin. Here we go, I'm ascending.
Hey, yo, what the?
There we go. Alright. Feel like a fool. Oh, wait. Feel like a fool. Like a fool. I'm pretty sure there's going to be an amazing digital circus map next week. Pretty sure they're beta testing it. I'm not scared and hey.
Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be
Someone's recording
Can you
this.
get that?
Unemployed child. That's an unemployed child. Oh, frick! Run! 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 You're such an unemployed boy! Oh my god, oh my gosh! Here we go. Now I'm bringing it back. Now bringing it back. Fireball! Dun 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 dun. Oh no! Here we go. Oh my god, Go! I'm confused. I am so confused. I don't know what I'm doing. Unemployed final boss.
Why are you fucking teleport me?
Unemployed final boss.
Please, you're so annoying.
I actually feel bad. I don't want to say it. I'm pretty sure this is the way. You're serious? Why so serious? Why so serious? Here we go. You're such an unemployed final boss, my boy.
Purple, stay in there.
There we go. Run! No! I knew I was close, bro. Because I made it that far one time because I saw like a video or something.
Why is there blood
in the bed.
I'm
That'll be the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and
Here.
see ya.